Yo, we're in caves. This is our little spelunking.
Remember what happens in that movie, Dad?
Yo.
Where they all get trapped in caves and die?
Who does? What? The Descent?
Yeah, The Descent.
That's such a good... Actually, it was a dumb movie.
I think you're a dumb movie.
What, did you like that? I liked it. It was just dumb. Nobody even got out of that cave. Look at this cave, though. Beautiful cave. Coley, smile. It is if you're me, I guess. Yo. Went down there, man. I went down there. Went over somewhere. Welcome to Warsaw Caves, where you explore caves and do fun things like exploring caves. There goes Colby. There's my bread burr.
As far as you go?
Yo.
It goes a little further, but no.
Check it out. It's the cave of ice, apparently.
There's not much exploring you can do down here. Yeah.
This is cave 5. This is great.
Let's see if I can get
I love it.
it.
Easy though. And guess what? I'm in sandals. How wonderful. Here's the outside of Hi. Here's the outside of K5, boys. There's my dad.
Semi-stable log you can use?
Look at that. Spelunking in a ravine. Let's go.
Come on down.
Seems safe.
Wait, is he coming in?
Look at that, boys. Look at the ravine. Oh, my sandals. Look at that.
Yeah.
This is the outside world.
I was just rocking that stick right there.
Look at this.
Okay. Don't want to do it right now.
This is nice. This is great. Colby, come here. Come back to this cave, man. Look what I had to go through. What the hell is that?
Here?
What is that, man? What? We have to go through more.
There's a pool right over there somewhere.
The hell? Beautiful. Oh my fuck.
Are you still recording?
I am now.
You dropped your phone in the caves.
Look at this.
Stop taking videos of people.
I'm not. I'm not even pointing it at them.
I just watched you.
The beautiful forest of Warsaw Caves. Cave exploration. Some forest exploration as well. This is what we come to. Left and right. Look at this.
Want to take a video? Looks like it.
There's the kettle, boys. Alright, Colby.
Hold on.
How are you gonna get back up?
I'll figure it out, maybe.
Nice. I'm not doing that. I see.
Yeah,
Yo.
I cannot.
Come on, Colby, climb up.
There's more than another.
Are you actually? Oh my god. He's doing it. He's got it. Go, Colby. You friggin' monkey.
What?
No, I'm kidding.
Meanie? Meanie?
No.
I'm
Keep
calling
going.
you one.
Ah.
Go down the tree.
No.
What?
That. I bet my science teacher would love this.
Okay. Just walk right straight down there.
I can too, look. Through that.
Where we walk to.
You can walk straight down here, Colby.
Yeah?
Oh.
I'm going to.
Of course you are. Look at this. Friggin' beautiful, man. Wow. Wow. Some dead leaves. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that. Deeper into the forest. of the Warsaw Caves.
You go.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Wow.
I have a picture of this spot.
Look at that. I can show you.
I got 1% left. I wonder if I can get a picture of you guys.
If we get lost.
Wow. That's beautiful. Listen. Hear it? Out of the forest. Sky.